Hello and welcome to Crypto News Roundup. In today's tech segment, we have breaking news from Pi Network. A new report from CoinFomia shows that Pi Network has launched a travel booking token named Pitogo on its testnet. The article says this is a major step in expanding Pi's ecosystem. If you're new to Pi, here's some context. Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project launched in 2019 by Stanford PhDs. It allows users to mine coins using a smartphone app. Currently, Pi is still in a special testing phase, sometimes called the enclosed mainnet. That means the Pi coins you've accumulated aren't yet tradable on normal exchanges. Think of it as a private beta. The team is building and testing before the network goes fully live.
Now let's get into the Pitogo token news. Pi Network's new Pitogo travel token is now live on the Pi testnet. This token is developed by a partner called Mambo Chain Ltd, and it's built right into the Pi mobile wallet. Once you enable Pitogo in your wallet, you can see your Pitogo balance, make test transactions, and experiment with early travel booking features for flights, hotels, and tours.
Why focus on travel? Well, the tourism industry is massive, worth trillions of dollars per year globally. Travel usually involves lots of cross-border payments, which can be slow and expensive with traditional systems. Blockchain can fix that with low fees and instant settlements. Pitogo is designed to tap into this market by letting people book travel with Pi coins in the future. If successful, it would give Pi coins a real-world use case beyond just mining on your phone.
The Pi2Go launch comes amid a wave of momentum for Pi. Recently, the Pi community saw over 770,000 Pi coins migrated to the mainnet in just one day. Another report notes that's roughly $770,000 worth of Pi moving to the live network in 24 hours. Migration means users completed identity verification, KYC, and transferred their Pi from the mobile app system into the official blockchain. This kind of surge is one of the strongest since Pi started opening its mainnet, indicating growing confidence among users. At the same time, Pi's developers are preparing a big protocol upgrade, version 24, to improve performance and scale. This upgrade, based on Stellar's recent software update, is intended to support new apps like Pitogo. The Pi developer community is also creating new tools. For example, a redesigned Pi App Studio to help builders deploy smooth, smart apps on Pi. Altogether, these updates suggest Pi is gearing up to become a global Layer 1 blockchain economy with a full suite of real-world applications.
Another exciting development is on the regulatory front. Pi Network released a white paper that complies with Europe's upcoming MiCA crypto regulations. This MiCA white paper, version 1.1, October 2025, outlines Pi's structure, risks, and tokenomics under the new EU rules. It even states that Pi is seeking permission to be traded in the EU EEA, showing the team intends to meet regulatory standards. Importantly, the white paper clarifies that Pi is a Layer 1 cryptocurrency, not just a utility token under MiCA. That classification aligns Pi with major cryptocurrencies. The key takeaway is that Pi aims for international compliance, which could boost its legitimacy. For Pi users, this is a strong sign the project is serious about following global crypto rules. So, what does all this mean for Pi's community and crypto newcomers? For the millions of Pi pioneers, Pitogo represents a hands-on preview of Pi's potential. Instead of only mining, users can now test using Pi for something concrete, booking travel. CoinFomania notes that initiatives like Pitogo show third-party developers shaping a full ecosystem around Pi. In other words, Pi is evolving beyond a hobby project.
For beginners, Pitogo is an easy entry point. It's like trying out a new app feature in a familiar context. However, it's crucial to remember that everything so far is experimental. The Pi coins in your app and Pitogo tokens on testnet cannot be spent outside the Pi network yet, and they aren't listed on any exchanges.
Overall, these moves, testnet tokens, migration surges, regulatory groundwork, indicate Pi is moving closer to its long-awaited mainnet launch. The network seems to be entering a new phase where testing and real-world integrations pave the way for a global rollout. In summary, Pi Network's launch of the Pitogo travel token on testnet is a significant milestone. It's part of a broader global push for Pi, showing the project is adding practical features and working on regulatory compliance. While Pi is still in an early test stage and not publicly traded, these developments are promising signs of its progress.
If you're already mining Pi, consider enabling Pitogo in your app and see how it works. If you're new to Pi or crypto, remember, this is still a learning and testing phase. The real impact will come after the full mainnet is live. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto News Roundup. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more crypto and tech news. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Shakawat Hussain, and this has been Crypto News Roundup.